Hello parents, this activity is standing line formation with balls for the preschoolers from age 3 to 5 years. In this activity, we will learn to develop fine motor skills through ball placement, enhance hand-eye coordination, improve attention span and focus, encourage problem solving skills. Instructions for the activity are: create a standing line using tape or a rope on the floor, give each child a ball. Instruct them to place their ball on the line using sellotape to secure it. Encourage children to stand back and observe their creation. Gradually add more complexity. Ask children to create patterns. Increase the number of balls. Use different balls. Benefits for this activity are: develop spatial awareness, enhance critical thinking, fosters creativity, improve fine motor skills. Thanks for watching the activity. Do follow us for more such activities and hope you like this video.